Hey folks, I've spent my hard-earned cash on these welding helmets so you don't have to waste yours. After testing out these products in real-world conditions, I've got the lowdown on what works and what doesn't. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, I'm here to guide you through the maze of options and help you find the best fit for your welding needs. Product number 1: YESWLDER Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Let's dive into the YESWLDER Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. I got my hands on this helmet for a few extensive welding sessions, and honestly, I was pretty impressed. First off, the design is sleek and lightweight, weighing in at just about a pound. It feels comfortable on my head, which is crucial when you're wearing it for hours on end. I didn't realize how much of a difference it made until I started using it. My eyes felt less strained after long sessions, and I could focus on my work without the annoying glare that some helmets tend to have. The viewing area, which measures 3.64 x 1.67 inches, offers a decent perspective, and the true color clarity with a rating of 1111 is a game changer. I could see the details of the weld pool much better than with some of the other helmets I've tried. Now, let's talk about the auto darkening feature. This helmet has two premium arc sensors that react in 1/30000 of a second, which is lightning fast. I never had to worry about being blinded by the arc. It darkened perfectly every time. I did find that the sensitivity adjustments were handy for different lighting conditions, and the delay control helped me when I switched back to light mode after welding. On the downside, while it's generally durable, I did notice that the plastic material might not hold up as well as some metal options if you're really rough on your gear. Additionally, some users might prefer a larger viewing area if they're doing intricate work. So is this helmet worth your money? Absolutely, especially for the price point of $31.99. It's a solid entry-level helmet that offers great features without breaking the bank. If you're looking for comfort, visibility, and advanced eye protection, the YESWLDER Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is a reliable choice. Product number 2: YESWLDER Large View Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Next up, the YESWLDER Large View Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This helmet is a notch above the previous model, especially when it comes to visibility. The viewing area is larger at 3.93 x 3.66 inches, which gives you a more expansive view while working. The true color technology remains, and let me tell you, it does wonders for seeing the actual colors of the materials you're working with. The 4 arc sensors are a significant upgrade compared to the 2 in the previous model. It means that no matter how you're positioned, the helmet is ready to react to the arc almost instantaneously. The sensitivity and delay controls were again easy to adjust and really enhanced my welding experience, especially during different welding processes like TIG and MIG. I felt more in control, which is vital when you're working on detailed tasks. One of the things I appreciated was the comfort. Weighing in at 2.2 pounds, it felt balanced and secure on my head, thanks to the pivoting headgear. The breathable padding also helped reduce neck strain during longer sessions. However, at a price of $49.99, some might argue it's slightly pricier than other entry-level helmets. Still, the performance and features justify the cost. In summary, if you're looking for a helmet that provides a larger view and superior arc detection, this YESWLDER model is definitely worth considering. It's a solid investment for anyone serious about their welding work. Product number 3: MIGVAN Welding Helmet. Now let's talk about the MIGVAN Welding Helmet. This one is priced at $89.99, and honestly, you can feel the quality as soon as you pick it up. The matte black finish gives it a professional look, and it's built from durable plastic that feels like it could take a beating. The standout feature here is the true color optical technology that really enhances your visibility while welding. The golden lens eliminates distortion, which is a blessing when you're trying to see the weld pool clearly. With a wide shade range of 4, 5, 13, and 4 arc sensors, this helmet has a quick auto darkening feature that activates in just 1/10000 seconds. I found that it seamlessly switched from light to dark, providing excellent protection against harmful UV/IR rays. One thing I particularly liked was the solar-powered and rechargeable battery feature. It means I didn't have to worry about replacing batteries often, making it a more eco-friendly choice. The adjustable shade and sensitivity controls were easy to use, and the pivoting headgear made it comfortable to wear for extended periods. However, the price might be a turnoff for some, especially if you're just starting out. But let me tell you, If you're serious about welding and want a helmet that will provide excellent visibility and protection, this MIGVAN helmet is a solid choice. In conclusion, if you're willing to invest a bit more, this helmet delivers top-notch performance and comfort, making it perfect for professional-grade welding. Product number 4, YESWELDER 180 degrees panoramic welding helmet. Next, we have the YESWELDER 180 degrees panoramic welding helmet. This helmet is something special, featuring a unique side view that really enhances your field of vision. I found this particularly useful when I was welding in awkward positions where turning my head was challenging. The helmet maintains the same blue light blocking technology that YESWELDER is known for, ensuring your eyes are well protected. The auto darkening feature is fast, switching in just 130,000 seconds thanks to the 4 arc sensors. It feels reactive and reliable, giving me confidence as I tackle different welding applications. This is crucial for long projects where comfort can quickly turn into fatigue. Additionally, it meets the ANSI Z8071 and CSA Z943 standards, which is reassuring for safety-conscious welders. However, at $67.99, some might question if the panoramic view justifies the extra cost compared to other helmets. But if you often find yourself in positions that require a wide field of vision, this helmet could be worth every penny. In short, if you're looking for enhanced visibility and comfort, the YESWELDER 180 degrees panoramic welding helmet is a fantastic option that stands out in the crowd. Product number 5, TRQWH Welding Hood. Last but not least, we have the TRQWH Welding Hood, which comes in at a budget-friendly price of $39.99. This helmet offers a true color view with a top optical clarity rating of 1112, giving you an excellent field of view. I was surprised at how well it restored colors and details when welding, which is essential for precision work. The auto darkening lens switches from light to dark in just 120,000 seconds, providing swift protection against arc flashes. The adjustable settings for sensitivity and delay are easy to use and allow for quick transitions between welding and grinding modes. I appreciated the external grind button, which saves you the hassle of removing your helmet every time you need to switch modes. The comfort level is decent, with a balanced headgear that adjusts easily. The thickened sponge forehead padding made a noticeable difference in comfort during longer sessions. However, being made from polycarbonate, it does feel a bit less durable than some of the metal options out there. But for the price, it's a great value. In summary, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance, the TRQWH Welding Hood is a solid choice. It covers all the essentials and is ideal for those just starting in the welding game. So there you have it, my top 5 welding helmets. Each of these has its strengths, whether it's price, visibility, or comfort. If you're just getting started, I'd recommend considering your specific needs and how much time you'll be spending in front of the arc. Whatever you choose, make sure it fits well and provides the protection you need. Happy welding!